an artist who paints, gosh, did I just say I'm an artist? A year ago when I was making these videos, I kept saying, I'm not an artist, I just want to be one. But now I think I am an artist. I just shifted over, it's amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this album and I'm going to pour paint on it. And I'm going for a sunrise over the lake look. Now I did a sunset and I can link to that up here so you can see it. It came out gorgeous. So I'm like, well, then I got to try sunrise now too. So that's what I'm going to do. This is an album by the Terry Baxter Orchestra. And it's got scratches on it, so we're gonna go ahead and paint on it. The other side is taped off and I've covered the hole and I'm ready to go. And this is gonna be the craziest pour because I'm doing a sunrise, but I'm gonna use purple as my base paint. So here we go.
Could you catch me up here? Tell me what you felt. My head is filling bottles that keep falling off the shelves. Well, every word hit like a prism out of color that was wasted. I could see through every layer. This was heaven, I could taste it. Tapping on the counter, terracotta floor. Voices warm and blended, weaving through the door. My skin was wide awake, so close I could hardly take it. Move quiet, leading into spiritual healing. Spiritual healing. I'm a billion people whispering. Spiritual healing. An earthquake in each step you take. Spiritual healing. Hearts in a handshake. Could you start from the beginning and don't miss a verse? I'll treat you like a